Hi, I'm David Pascual, the global commercial lead for the Lubrizol Corporation, one of the largest TPU manufacturers in the world. We're here at Formnext at the HP booth. We started the collaboration back in 2017 when we had the conversation about the materials roadmap at HP and where there was a need for soft and flexible materials. And Lubrizol is one of the largest TPU manufacturers in the world with a global presence. So we are the first ever TPU powder supplier at the HP platform on the 4200 back in 2019. We also have a TPU powder on the 5200. And we were really looking for which kind of applications it makes sense to add in soft and flexible material. And for example, orthotic and prosthetic is one of the largest segments that we are in because ultimately we bring comfort to patients by having a very thin wall thicknesses, which brings comfort to patients, and we can have several colors, several designs. And this is one of the largest segments where we're in. For example, in manufacturing aids, when we can really have it designed and printed almost overnight and gives this speed and the ability to customers to use parts like designed a day ago. That's something that brings a lot of value. Consumer goods, automotive, industrial parts, it brings all this, the HP technology brings a lot of benefits as you can design the parts and make them real in a very short time. So we look forward to continuing the relationship with HP. And yeah,